Morning, folks. John Canode here from Ormond Beach, Florida. Working on the 87 iRock LS conversion, and got it running. She rolls. Transmission's not working correctly, but I'm going to make some changes and adjustments to a TB cable, and I'm hopeful that will correct the problem. We'll see. Had to make some modifications to the manifold, as there was a video posted months ago where I modified the manifold, intake manifold, to open it up and allow more airflow, and it worked great until I put the aluminum cover on the manifold, and it popped loose the cap on top of the manifold that I removed so I could get inside the manifold. So I have rebuttoned it down with some more epoxy and reinforced it underneath with some metal plating. I don't know if you can see that. No. Anyway, up top is some metal plating there. So what I've got to do is finish putting this thing together. I also modified my adapter plate for the throttle body. Opened it up right here where I could. I can't really open it up here because it's all plastic, but I could open it up here, which is about what, 5%, 10% more airflow. So that should help with some airflow.